So, in previous video classes, we are discussing about the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, and next we come to that is the theorem number 1. Any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So here we have to express that is a square matrix as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So already we know that in the second year we have studied in the matrix chapter, that is how to express that is a symmetric, for which we call as a symmetric. Suppose if A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Next, so A minus A transpose is called as a skew symmetric matrix. For a symmetric matrix, if you multiply by any scalar, again it will become a symmetric matrix. For a skew symmetric matrix also, if you multiply by any scalar matrix, scalar term, then again it will become a, so that is the skew symmetric matrix. So let me consider here, we have already known that, so proof for this. So proof, let we consider that A is any square matrix, any square matrix. Now we have to show that A is expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So already we know that is A plus A transpose is a symmetric and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. We know that what we know? We know that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. And also A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ? Skew symmetric matrix. And if you multiply by any scalar to this skew symmetric matrix or a symmetric matrix, it will become again a symmetric and so 1 by 2 half of the A plus A transpose is symmetric. Again it is a symmetric. And A plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. So if we add this, what we get this? We are doing addition. It implies that 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus, it is a symmetric and we confirm it is a skew symmetric. Adding symmetric and skew symmetric. So that is 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. If you simplify, what we are getting, that is A by 2 plus A transpose divided by 2 plus A by 2 minus A transpose by 2. A cancel everything? Cancel. Half of the A, that will become A itself. So it implies that A is any square matrix that is expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. That is 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. So it confirms that we have expressed that any square matrix as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So now here we have to show that whether this is a unique or not. So whether this is correct or not. So for this we consider the x and y. This x and that is the y we have to consider. Let me take that is the, so whether whatever we have written, whether it is a unique or whether we have another. So let me consider the x and y are the symmetric. So to prove that the uniqueness of this, so is unique. Suppose if a is expressed as a x plus y, where x is a symmetric matrix and y is a skew symmetric matrix. So what we have to show, it means that x equal to a plus a transpose divided by 2, y is equal to y minus a minus a transpose, that we have to show. Then only we confirm that they are unique under same law. Again a is equal to x plus, so that is the x plus y. So let me find out the transpose of this. A transpose is equal to transpose, that is x plus y whole transpose. We know the properties of the transpose, so that if we have a sets, De Morgan's law, a plus b transpose is equal to a transpose plus b transpose. We know that already. So then a transpose is equal to x transpose plus y transpose. Here we have considered that is x is a symmetric, and we know that x is a symmetric means x transpose is equal to x. And what about y? Y is a skew symmetric. It means that y transpose equal to minus y, that is minus y. So then a transpose is equal to x minus y. So for this I will call it as one equation, and for this I will call it as an equation number 2. Solving these two equation 1 and 2, we will get that is ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x is equal to a plus a transpose divided by 2 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Next y is equal to a minus a transpose divided by 2. So it confirms that they are unique. Hence the proof. In confirm ಆಯ್ತು, ಎರಡು ಯುನಿಕ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಬಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ, a plus a transpose by 2 and so a minus a transpose by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ a is equal to x plus y ಮತ್ತೊಂದು. ಸೊ x ಗೆ ಏನಂದೇವಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದೇವಿ, y ಗೆ ಏನಂದೇವಿ skew symmetric. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric also you got now. So now we have to show that we have considered this as another matrix, mattonu matrix. But ಆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದವ್ರಿ, ಅವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆದವ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ a plus a transpose divided by 2 ನ ಬಂದ್ರಿ a minus a. So it confirm, it shows that the uniqueness ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎರಡಲೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ, ಬೇರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So that is the uniqueness, hence the proof. So this completes the property. So next we move to that is the, so another theorem we have, that is theorem number 2. So that which we have studied, similar theorems which we have studied in the second year also. So same theorems are we are once again we are going to discuss here also. That is theorem number 2. ಎರಡನೇ theorem ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so if a and b are the symmetric, then we have to show that is a into b is also symmetric if and only if a and b are commutative. A into b is commutative. That we with the help of that if and only if is that ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into b commutative ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into b equal to b B into A ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೈತಿ. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, if A and B are symmetric matrix, ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ then A into B will be symmetric. A into B will be symmetric. A into B ಏನ್ರಿ symmetric. A ಮತ್ತು B symmetric ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ, A into B will be symmetric. ಇದನ್ನು symmetric ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ, if and only if and only if so that is A into B is equal to B into A under commutative law. So first, so what we have to show, if and only if ಏನೈತಿ, A into B symmetric ಐತಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if and only if A into B equal to B into A ಇವು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು A into B ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ ಈ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The given ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಂದ್ರೆ given A and B are symmetric matrix. A ಮತ್ತು B ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ symmetric matrix. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. A equal to A transpose, B equal to B transpose ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, A into B will be a symmetric ಅನ್ಕೋತೇವೆ. ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ A into B equal to A transpose, A into B transpose, that we have already known that. If and ಅವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, A into B equal to B into A ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ let me consider that A into B is symmetric. A into B is symmetric. A into B is symmetric. A into B symmetric ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, implies that A into B is equal to A into B transpose. A into B ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ, ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ. ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, if A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, that we know the properties of the De Morgan's law. From that we can write that is A into B is equal to ಏನಂದ್ರೆ B transpose into A transpose, because we know that by the De Morgan's law A into B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನೈತಿ, B transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, that is B into A transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ A, that is A, because A and B are symmetric, that is A into B is equal to B into A. Therefore we got the result A into B equal to B into A. It means A and B are commutative. Multiplication is commutative. We got this. Next we come to that is a converse party ಬರೋದು. So conversely ಏನ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, A into B symmetric ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So that we have to show. ತೆಗಿದ್ವಿ. So we drew that is the next the converse part of this. Converse part of this. Conversely. 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 So conversely, what we have to prove that we have to consider A into B equal to B into A. Let me consider that A into B is equal to B into A. Now ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? Symmetric ಅಂದ್ರೆ transposition apply ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. So it implies that applying transposition on both these sides, A into B transpose equal to B into A transpose. Then we know the property of apply for the transposition property on this side. A transposition into B transpose. A transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ because A transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ A, B transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ B. Why? Because A and B are symmetric. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆರಡು symmetric matrix ಅದಾವೆ. So it implies that ಏನಂದ್ರೆ A into B transpose equal to A into B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A into B ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Symmetric. Therefore A into B is symmetric. A into B is symmetric. So this completes the theorem number 2. Theorem number 2 G3. Next we move to that is the, before going to the theorem number 3, so next we move to that is the theorem number 3. Theorem number 3. ಮೂರನೇ theorem ಹೋಗೋಣ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರೋಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥಿಯರಂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಥಿಯರಂ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Let A and B are the symmetric matrix. Again another theorem number 3 we have. Let A and B are symmetric matrix, are symmetric. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು symmetric matrix ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. matrices of the same order, then prove that. So first what we have, that is A into B minus B into A is skew symmetric matrix. So that is A into B minus B. A into B, second one that we have to prove that A into B plus B into A is skew symmetric. That we have to show that is symmetric. So given that A and B are the symmetric, and we have to show that is A into B minus B into A is a skew symmetric matrix. So what the given thing, with the help of the given thing we are going to prove that. So proof for this. So what the given thing is given in ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಂದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತು B symmetric. Given A and B are symmetric. A and B are symmetric matrices. A and B are symmetric matrices. polar is that hangandre ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A transpose equal to A ಗೆ B transpose equal to B ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ನಾ A into B minus B into A is a skew symmetry ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. let A into B minus B into A transpose is equal to ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. So according to that rule what we can write as A into B transpose minus B into A transpose because of this reason. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A into B transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose because the reason is that A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. By the De Morgan's law we know that. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ already B transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ B, A transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ A. Let me substitute that as B into A minus A into B. So ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let take its outside. ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that is minus AB minus BA ಆಯ್ತು. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ that is A into B minus B into A transpose ಏನು ಬಂತ್ರಿ minus A1. So skew symmetric matrix ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತೀವಿ A transpose equal to minus A ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ skew symmetric. ಇದು A ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ minus A ಬಂತು. Therefore what we can say that is A into B minus B into A is skew symmetric. This completes the first ಮುಗಿತು ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. Next similarly we have to show this also. ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋಣ್ರಿ second one. That is the second one. So the given thing that is the same for the both. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ same ರೀ, only change. So we move to that is the second one. The first one is over. So with the help of the given thing we have to prove that is A into B plus B. into A into B plus B into A transpose. Let transpose equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A into B transpose plus B into A transpose. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, because by this property that is A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. You can ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. with the help of that we are doing. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so here again we know the property that is B transpose into A transpose ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus A transpose into B transpose. By this property A into B transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ already. What we know that B transpose into A transpose. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, B transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ B. Let me substitute that is B into A plus A into B. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ B into A. So here what we got, that is A plus B, B into A into B plus B into A transpose equal to AB plus BA. So that the transpose of any matrix itself then it is called as a symmetric matrix. Therefore that is A into B plus B into A is symmetric. Is symmetric matrix. symmetric matrix. So this completes the theorem number 3. So next we have, that is the examples on this. So expressing the following matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So we will discuss in the next class. So the problems on this we'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.